Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you all just kind of a fun eye look to do. And today I am going to be using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. Now in this one, I have done a lot of just either neutrals, warms, or smoky eyes lately. I've not done something bold and creative. And with this palette, you have so many options to pick from, as you can see in here. And I'm really wanting just to show you all something a little different on my channel today. And I'm really wanting to use these right here. I'm really wanting to find a way to incorporate those. So I'm really excited to do this. Now today, I am going to be filming a few videos. So this video is only going to be the eyes. On my next video that I'm going to film today, I am doing a first impressions on a foundation that I'm so excited to share with you all. But for this video only, it will be just an eye look. There will be no other face makeup. I am saving that for the next video. So be sure and look out for that. I'll try to leave it linked down below. It'll probably go live after this one. So when you're watching this, it may not be available just yet, but as soon as it gets uploaded, I will have it linked below and at the end of this video so you can click on it and check that one out. First, I am going to prime my eyelids using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on just to kind of set this. After that, always go in with some sort of powder just to really set that base. I like to use the Maybelline Fit Me. This one is the matte and poreless. It's just a little compact powder. I like to put my sponge in it just like that and then just press over where we put that concealer. Okay, now that you're in a little bit closer and you can see a little better what we're doing, I'm just gonna go in with this top shade right here, this very light one, and I am just going to work this all over my lid using a big fluffy brush. Okay, next I'm gonna jump on in with this shade right here. This one I'm pretty sure is Creamsicle, yes. And I am just going to work this right above my crease. And after that, I'm gonna go in with this shade right over here. This one is called Hunts. Okay, after that, I'm going to take more of a crease brush. This one is the crease brush from IT Cosmetics for Ulta. That is what it looks like. And with that one, I am going, I'm really wanting to go in with this purple shade here and then just work this right below where we put the vast majority of our reds. So let's just do it. This right here really makes those eyes pop. And I'm really liking this transition from that orange down to the red to the purple. And then I'm wanting to go in with the blue next. And then I want to really just kind of transition that in to this really pretty green kind of aqua teal color. I think it's gonna be a pretty just shade transition throughout the eye. And I'm really excited to see how this turns out. But next I'm gonna go in with the blue down here. This one is called Twerk. And then with this one, we're gonna go just a little bit lower than we did with the purple shade because like I said, we are just kind of transitioning it down throughout the eye. And what I did with that one was just kind of go around in a little bit of a circle around my lid, and I left just a little itty bitty space for the next couple of shades that I want to use. But there's a few different ways that you could have done this. You could have carved it out with a little bit of concealer and done it that way. It probably would have stuck a little bit better, but I wasn't wanting that real shimmery tone that it has in them. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but they do have some shimmer, kind of metallic-y looks to them. I didn't want that super shimmery shade to really pop through. I wanted just that underlying pigment to be really what is seen rather than the glittery look to it. So that is the reason that I did that, and I didn't carve it out with concealer because I didn't want it to pop too much. I did just want that transitional shade kind of going through. Okay, next I'm gonna take a pretty precise brush here. This one is part of the Wet n Wild holiday collection, and I am just going to go in with this green shade right down here. This one is called Jada. And this one I am just going to put right around in here and just kind of along the upper lash line there, and then just kind of work my way with it to the inner corner. And then after that, I'm just gonna take this shimmery kind of green shade here called Pool Party and just put this one on my inner corner. And then I want to take this little tiny smudge brush here and go in with Creamsicle and really work this shade on my lower lash line. So I just put a little bit of mascara on, and I did kind of a chunky wing liner with that one, and I'm really liking the way that this turned out. It was so much fun and super easy to do. If you have the Jaclyn Hill palette, we only used just a few shades out of this one. Let's see, we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shades out of this whole palette, and it was so much fun and so easy to create. And you have this beautiful, this look just looks so 90s to me. If you all ever watch Night at the Roxbury, this eye look is just that movie. That is what it is, just screaming to me. It was so much fun to do and so easy. And like I said, I'm not doing any other makeup in this video because I am saving it for my next one. That is my first impressions on a foundation that I have been so excited to do on camera for you all. But that is it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, be sure and give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I do post videos weekly, and I would love to have you stick around and watching them with me. But I will catch you all in my next one. Bye, guys.